Good morning, dear students. I am teaching chapter 11. Name of the chapter 11 is the air. Where does it contain? What does it contain? Chapter 11, what does it contain? And yesterday I have completed till here. Air may contain germs. So I told you yesterday, air contains water vapor, air contains dust particles, air contains smoke, and air may contain germs. So clean and fresh air. Dirty and impure air is harmful to health. As you know that dirty and impure air is harmful to health, so we need pure air to breathe in. And air is pure when it is fresh. We must therefore live in fresh air. As you know that impure air is harmful to health, so we need fresh and pure air, and air is fresh and pure. Air is pure when it is fresh, so we must therefore live in fresh air. And to get fresh air, what should we do? Grow green plants around your house. Grow green plants around your house. They make the air clean and fresh. So plantation is necessary. Never live or play in smoky or dusty places. If you will play in smoky or dusty places, then it is harmful for health, and air in these places is impure. It contains water vapor, smoke, dust particles, etc. Live in an airy room. Let fresh air and sunlight come in. If ventilation is good in the room, then it is very good for the health. Let fresh air and sunlight come in, and never cover your face while sleeping. While you are sleeping, do not cover your face. And the air we breathe out is impure, and the air you are taking, air we breathe out is impure. We must not breathe it again. And do have regular walk in fresh air. If you will every day, if you will walk in fresh air, then it is good for the health. And air is fresh in open places. Air is fresh in open places, and always play in the open. Always play in the open. And take exercise in fresh air. It is good for health. And riversides too have fresh and pure air. And riverside also fresh and pure air. What have you learned in this chapter? Air. All living things need air to stay alive. All living things need air to stay alive. And air contains water vapor, dust, smoke, and germs. And dust is the fine particles of soil. Dust, smoke, and germs make the air dirty and impure. And this dirty and impure air is harmful for health. And dirty air, impure air is harmful to health. We must breathe in clean and fresh air. For getting clean and fresh air, we should plant trees, more and more trees near around your house. We must grow more and more plants. More to know, when air is dirty, we say it is contaminated or polluted. Smoke and dust in the air can cause diseases such as breathing problems, irritation in the eyes, and coughing. If air can cause diseases such as breathing problems, irritation in the eyes, and coughing. So now come to the fill in the blanks. First one, fill in the blanks. We breathe in air all the time. We breathe in air all the time. We breathe in air all the time. Air contains water in the form of water. Air contains water in the form of water vapor. In the form of water vapor. When a sick person cough, germs mixes with the surrounding air. Air is harmful to our health. Dirty air is harmful to our health. Dust, smoke and germs make the air dirty. Again you can see, we breathe in air all the time. We breathe in air all the time. Air contains water in the form of water vapor. When a sick person coughs, germs mixes with the surrounding air. Dirty air is harmful to health. Dust, smoke and germs make the air dirty. Till here you have to write in copy.